I made this banana bread with oats, and you want to try out this recipe because if you're like me and you do not love oats, this is one recipe and one way that you can enjoy oats. In this recipe, I'll be using two ripe bananas. You want to use very ripe bananas and bananas that are sweet. You're going to mash this up, and when you're done mashing it up, transfer it into your mixing bowl. You're going to go ahead and add in the rest of the wet ingredients. So for this, we'll be using a quarter cup of milk, two eggs. We'll be using a quarter cup of vegetable oil and margarine. Now, how did I get this? You're going to add 1 tablespoon of margarine, melted margarine, and then add in oil to fill up the quarter cup. Going with 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Mix this together, combine it, and set aside. Now we're going to go ahead and add our dry ingredients. In this, I have 2/3 cup of flour, a tablespoon of cocoa powder, and half tablespoon of baking powder. I'll go in with 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 cup of oats. Now I'm going to mix this together. In our wet ingredients, I will now go in with my sugar. I'll add in a quarter cup of sugar, mix this together, and start going in with my dry ingredient bit by bit. I will mix this in 2 batches until it has fully combined. Then I'll go ahead, transfer it into my baking pan or foil plate, whatever it is that you want to use to bake. Go ahead and transfer it into it. Bake this for about 40 minutes and your banana bread is ready. Now, I don't know why people call it banana bread, but I definitely will call it banana cake because it tasted just like cake and it is super soft and delicious. You guys, I don't know if you want to get a very good outcome for your banana cake or banana bread. You want your butter to be light. If your butter is too thick, your banana bread is going to come out very dense. Now, if your butter is light, then you're going to have a very soft and fluffy banana bread or cake, and you will enjoy it just like you have your regular cake. So do well to follow these steps and measurements if you want the best outcome for the banana cake that you'll be making. As you can see, I baked mine with my pot and the outcome was still perfect. Serve this with any fruit juice of your choice. Tell me what you think about this recipe. If you're watching up to this point, hit the subscribe button. Don't leave without subscribing, guys. Tell me what you think about this recipe. What else do you want me to repeat? And I'm going to hop right into it. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, neighbors.